Cancer deserves the fucking crown. Not for being sweet, not for being soft, but for putting up with more bullshit than any other zodiac, and still showing up with love. If you're a Cancer watching this, pay attention and don't skip. Cancers don't just feel, they absorb your sadness. They carry it. Your silence. They overthink it. Your lies. They already fucking felt it before you spoke. They love hard, too hard, and most of the time, for the wrong people, but they keep doing it anyway. Because that's who the fuck they are. They'll mother you, fix you, hype you, pray for you, and still get left on read. And what do? Cry in silence, wipe their own tears, and keep loving like they weren't just torn apart inside. That's not weakness. That's power. That's royalty. Cancer's loyalty is not a fucking game.